With your layout marked, it's time to install the foundation of your fence, the pipe anchors. These set the alignment, stability, and height for everything that follows. You'll need a level and a post pounder. A gas-powered post pounder works fastest, but a manual post pounder can also be used. For 4-foot fence options only, a sledgehammer is another option. Start by placing a pipe on your first marked spot along the string line. Make sure it's flush to one side of the string and touching it. Drive the pipe straight down using your post pounder. Focus on keeping the pipe aligned as it goes in, rather than driving it as fast as possible. About every 6 inches the pipe goes down, stop and check it with a level. Place the level against the pipe, then move it to a different position around the pipe to confirm it's straight up and down. If you realize a pipe is slightly crooked, simply adjust the direction of your hits to straighten it. If you have a partner, have them apply pressure to the anchor in the direction needed as you continue to drive the pipe into the ground. With all pipe anchors installed, your fence's foundation is complete.